Hello everyone and welcome. Today we are gonna start on a new project and this is called the MUS, and I have added episode 1 at the end because it's gonna be maybe a few episodes long. So for the moment, as you can see, I have nothing to show, but this is because I'm recording these videos as I go along. So there is nothing to show yet, but know that for this project I'm gonna use a mix of 3D and 2D because I'd like to explore the possibilities given by a Blender tool called the Grease Pencil. So I'm gonna create 3D environments and 2D characters, and I'm also gonna use the Grease Pencil for the design of the 3D space to create something like floor plans or elevation plans or detailed notes. So I hope I'll see you sometimes along this project, and do not hesitate as usual to ask any questions if you have some. That is something I wanted to work on since a long time, so I'm really happy to somehow force myself to do so. So now, see you in the next part where I will be introducing the basics of the Grease Pencil. Take care everyone, see you soon, bye.